Pero kung iraklat ito, my God,
Oo.
who you are? What is your situation? Your family behind it?
Mm.
Then me.
Don't,
Oh, muna nga ni kay
the
kun
family behind it.
kay kun insulto ay.
English.
Oh.
I cannot understand
If-
what you say.
If insulting each other,
Mm.
yes,
Okay.
I find that. You insulting me, I insulting you too.
Then,
Then let's go round. Charot.
in so doing,
You
that's
so
part
doing.
of a joke. I never insulting you.
Mommy.
No. Listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. I explain you. We accept the reality you're a dangas. I am that.
I accept.
Oo, yeah. That's
Siya,
why
siya.
you're too old.
Huy! I'm not too
Oh,
old.
oh.
I'm too young.
No.
Excited.
Are you young, free, and single?
What?
Are you free, young, and single?
Yes. I'm belonging.
Give me 5 reasons that you are young, free, and single.
Yeah, single.
Okay.
5 reason?
Yeah.
Ano to?
Namatay ka. I think we're not talking a Visayan language. We're talking English speaking. Give me 5 reasons that
Okay.
you're free and single.
Okay. I try it.
Yes. You must it.
One.
Yes.
Once.
One.
Once
Not
upon a
one.
time.
Sorry na.
No,
Excited ko naman kasi pag...
English.
Okay. Don't read it.
Another time. Another. You must drink it before me.
Pardon?
You must drink it before me.
You must drink it before me. Okay.
Okay. Thank you for everything.
But it's 2 more, 5?
Ano?
They have 3 or 2 lang?
Tulang? Ay, may tulang you. What? May tulang? No. In so doing, you will say tulang? Ay, may tulang you.
Ano?
Ah,
Not tulang. I'm not talking about tulang.
oo.
Yeah.
Tulong, tulos. Ulos-los. Oh, okay. I accept your...
Is tumor kasi sinasabi mo sa akin.
Ay, tumor?
Too much.
Too much tumor? You have tumor? Too much tumor? Ay. No. It's too much tumor. Whose person is tumor?
Okay. Hinahanap.
Oh, okay.
I try.
You must elaborate the person. You must
What is
explain.
elaborate?
Elaborate, namatay ka. Elaborate. To explain well. Explain.
It's
Explain.
elaborate.
Explain and elaborate. What did you say?
Spill.
Spill nga.
elaborate.
Elaborate.
Explain. Namatay ka.
Spill nga. Elaborate. You're talking. When
Explain.
you are talking, you do what it.
Explain and elaborate. Who's that man that you're talking to? Okay, it's
Before
mine.
I answer,
That question.
Yes.
Okay.
just
Elaborate.
kayo pala. Okay na.
You're too beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Salamat sa dangas at susunod.
Utang inigayos. Hayaan mo sila.
We accept the reality.
Yeah. I accept it.
But
I'm
maybe,
not, but I am truly, for me, I am not heated. Because, truly,
Oh,
I am not heated.
he did.
Heated.
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 I'm slang. Sorry. Yes. I am a pure.
For me, we
For-
accept the reality. That's why we'll
Yeah,
go
you
on.
accept.
We'll go
What?
on. Go up and down. Not inside and out.
See, so they.
We go on. Yeah,
Oo.
that's why.
Why?
Pasalamat sila.
I thank you
Mm.
for your convincing.
Da,
Everything what happened.
there's a
Shining star coming to town.
there's no shining star. There's
It's a moon just falling down the street.
really.
Oh my God.
No, you're not God. We're
I am
the
not a
is ours.
God,
Mm.
but I'm believing that the Mother Almighty, the Creator, that heaven and earth,
Might is in a
Mighty,
cigarettes. Mighty cigarettes.
Almighty,
Almighty, you take cigarettes, mighty? Huh?
your boss.
No, no, no.
The Almighty is a sense about your human being, that your soul, that your suffer, everything will happen. Your
I'm not suffering
Amy.
myself. I'm not suffering. I'm not what I'm doing.
okay.
You're suffering with the cigarette.
I'm not suffering it.
Select the cigarette you want it.
Select the cigarette that I want it,
Yeah,
but I'm not.
Marlboro.
Select.
Mm.
Be
Select,
joking,
oh.
huh?
Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's my turn to drink.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You, I can read your forehead
I have 4 hands,
and,
5
Left under.
hands,
and mine.
7 hands. I
Miss
accept what
Sulaman.
had happened. But you are long distance.
Namatay ka.
Putang ining hayop. Ang papangit na nga. Tayo pa talagang tamay. Sa bagay, tao lang sila.
Yes. You're waking wake.
Uy,
There's no
oh,
water, lady.
There's no water. Just pee-pee.
Namatay ka.
Okay. Saan tihi? O saan bakit iihi? Ihi.
This is a part of the joke.
Yeah.
Their joke under.
I am single.
You're not a single person.
I am flying.
You know what? This is a part of the joke of our opinion of our barkadahan.
In a second voice.
Oh, really? Sorry guys. This is part of a joke only. Joke lang. What they see is what you want. You know what? What is life being for? For you, for me, and for everything. Amen. Ano ka ba? Shh! Hoy. Tama na ito.